Well, people, Dancehall skilla here again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, now first things first, my people. I am going to present a video to you that I be recorded in Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a standoff between police from within the country of Jamaica and a man. Now, allegedly, it is said that the man is said to be of unsound mind, or the man had been accused of being of unsound mind, viewers and subscribers. Now, I'm going to tell you about some allegations that have been made about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. Now, please bear in mind that the things that I'm about to say to you, they are considered as allegations until proven otherwise, alright? So, allegedly, it is said that the man who had been accused of being of unsound mind was involved in some form of altercation or confrontation with at least one person who is said to be a law enforcer from within the country of Jamaica. Now, an allegation has been made about a motor vehicle clamp, viewers and subscribers in, and allegedly it is said that at some point police was notified about the whole situation. Allegedly, it is said that because of the person's behavior, police was notified about the situation and that police responded to the situation. Allegedly, it is said that members from the mental health unit or healthcare workers was alerted about the situation and that they responded to the situation because the man is believed to be of unsound mind. Allegedly, it is said that the man who is believed to be of unsound mind attacked at least one of those persons who are said to be from the mental health unit or who are said to be healthcare workers. It is said that the man's behavior was considered to be dangerous to the public. Allegedly, it is said that the man who is believed to be of unsound mind had a knife. So according to more allegations, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the whole situation led to the standoff between the man who had been accused of being of unsound mind and police officers from within the country of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, the video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened during what is said to be the standoff. It is said that the man had been shot by the police within the country of Jamaica, but I did not get any information as to how many times the person had been shot. But it is said that more than one shot had been fired, viewers and subscribers. It is said that during the standoff, the man was holding an object. And the video that I'm about to present to you shows when the object that the man was holding break or crumbled during when police fired shots, viewers and subscribers. So according to more information that I got, it is said that the man had been hospitalized, viewers and subscribers. I didn't get any confirmed information about the person's medical condition. However, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself and so that you can get a better understanding about the whole situation. Now, please bear in mind that this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. You can also hear harsh language in the video, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to edit this video to keep this video as family friendly as possible. Alright? So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Like they set him, man. Who over the boy and set him to kill himself? Like they set him, man. I choose so much how we don't make them now lick him already. Yeah, man, that the man there the power to kill him, you know.
Yeah? You have a right hand side?
Yeah.
Left hand side.
Or him have a stripe. No, this man have a stripe tip on the right side, you know. He stripe them up on him sleeve.
Okay, I'm going to try to kill him.
Yeah, him a go kill him. I man the stripe a touch him. And him a go fling it, you know. Him a go fling it. Man a give away your life. Yo.
You're kill him, you're skilla. Yes.
The dog a marksman, you know. Him now want dead again. Nobody want dead again. Yo, how long you could have easy yourself?
Yeah, he could have dead, you know?
You're dead, you're dead.
Yo, him cripple, you know, watch him. When you kick him in the belly. I man the stripe, see man the stripe. There, see man the stripe. The man they touch him 3 piece in get. Nice stone. But this not pay, boy. And then boy make it worse, man, you know. The dog don't miss him, you know, man. Dog don't miss him, you fuck your mother, should I in the area get it? Cheap is turn on the siren now, I should have did.
Now, according to more information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that police did the necessary things to try and avoid the man from being injured, viewers and subscribers. However, it is said that the man had been shot and injured by police from within the country of Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about a situation like this. And I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw quite a number of videos and comments on social media that gave me the understanding that something is going on social media that is called Jamaican versus Haitian social media war. So some people also call it online war. Some people call it other names as well, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, I do not appreciate none of this. I do not like none of this because I believe that Jamaicans and Haitians and all the people of the world are just one people of the world. You understand? We should not at no point try to degrade anyone or say things that are bad about anyone, no matter what's your nationality. You understand? See, I mean, I see comments on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons are basically saying that they want back the money that they give to Haiti as a result of some form of disaster that happened within Haiti. And I'm thinking that they're talking about an earthquake that happened within Haiti, you know, viewers and subscribers. Now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and in this video, you can hear a person talking about Jamaicans and Haitians, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, I think that the person talk about the same situation that I mentioned in this video. Now, my people, I want you to listen to some things that the person said in this video, and I would like you to tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said. Now, please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, viewers and subscribers. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Yo, my sister, you know I start this Haitian and Jamaican war thing. You know, I'm stopping from now. You see this way I go around with this, don't call me Jamaican, don't call me, you stop that. You understand me? You know where I start this one is a big dirty mistake human being. Yeah, you hear me? You know it's a big human being. Look how much other things out there in this world, brother. I'm full of Asian friends, Spanish friend, white friend. Listen, none of uno now gonna let me start no foolishness with my brethren them. You understand me? Because what I do right now that make no fucking sense. No sense whatsoever it no make. We're not gonna go with this. We are fight against one another. Eh? We are fight against our own black brother. Eh? Don't call me Jamaican, don't call me. What the hell? If you cut me right now, I see them blood run out. I will on. We need to stop this one. Too much things out there what we can go do. When come like a big mistake. Me tell you someone there's a mistake now. And all of uno, we are doing it. When there's a big mistake, human being. Yeah. Because uno start something when you need to start. The girl that come out with it, she's a big mistake human being. She have no purpose. Well, not just disappear and just make who want live good with each other live good with each other. Just disappear, man. You understand me? Because this don't make no sense, none at all.
Alright, my people, so tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said in this video, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, let me know what you think about this whole so-called online social media war between Haitians and Jamaicans, or whatever them want to call it. You understand? Me, I don't appreciate it. Me, I don't agree with it. But would I like to know what you think about this whole situation. Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.